Imagine taking just $1,000 and transforming it into $10,000 without luck, gambling, or some get-rich-quick scheme. Sounds impossible? It's not. In fact, countless smart investors have done it. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do it too. This is not about blindly throwing money into stocks and hoping for the best. This is about strategic, proven investing that anyone, even total beginners, can follow. If you stick around until the end, you'll learn the exact step-by-step methods that have been tested and used by real investors to multiply their money. Let's get started. Step 1, the power of compounding. Before we dive into specific investments, you need to understand the most powerful wealth-building force in the world, compounding interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for a good reason. The key to turning $1,000 into $10,000 isn't about making one big move. It's about making small, smart decisions that grow exponentially over time. Here's a real-world example. If you invest $1,000 into an asset that grows at just 20% per year, which, by the way, is very achievable with the right strategy, your money won't just grow, it will snowball. Year 1, $1,000 turns into $1,200. Year 2, that $1,200 turns into $1,440. Year 5, now it's at $2,488. Year 10, it explodes to $6,191. Year 15, you've hit $15,375. This is how small investments become serious money over time. The key? Start now. The earlier you begin, the more powerful this effect becomes. But where exactly should you put your $1,000 to make this happen? Let's break it down. Step 2, high-growth stock investing. One of the fastest and most proven ways to multiply your money is by investing in high-growth stocks. Historically, companies like Amazon, Tesla, and Nvidia started small but delivered insane returns for early investors. The key to spotting the next big winners is to look for disruptive industries. Sectors like AI, cloud, computing, renewable energy, and biotech that are shaping the future. Additionally, focus on companies with strong revenue growth. If a company is growing 30% or more per year, that's a strong indicator of long-term potential. However, the real secret isn't just finding these stocks, but holding them strategically instead of day trading and chasing short-term gains. Successful investors take a 3 to 5 year vision, allowing their investments to mature and compound over time. For example, if you had invested just $1,000 in Tesla back in 2012, that investment would be worth over $100,000 today. Even more conservative tech stocks like Apple and Microsoft have 10x ed over time, proving that patience in the right companies can yield massive results. The good news? You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Many platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and M1 Finance allow you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of high-growth stocks with as little as $10 or $20. But what if you're not comfortable picking individual stocks? No problem. There's an even safer way to benefit from high-growth companies, and that's by investing in ETFs. Step 3, the ETF strategy. If picking individual stocks sounds risky, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are your best friend. An ETF is like a basket of stocks, automatically diversifying your investment and reducing risk. The best part? Many ETFs have consistently delivered 10 to 20% returns per year, making them one of the safest and most reliable ways to grow your wealth. Here are 4 powerful ETFs to consider. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VOO, which tracks the top 500 companies in the U.S. and has averaged 10% annual return for decades. ARK Innovation ETF, ARKK, which focuses on high-growth tech stocks like Tesla and AI startups. NASDAQ 100 ETF QQQ, which invests in major tech giants like Apple, Amazon, and Google. And iShares MSCI World ETF URTH, which provides global exposure by investing in top companies across multiple countries. If you put $1,000 into an ETF growing at just 15% per year, in 10 years, it turns into $4,045. But the real magic happens when you make consistent contributions. By investing just $50 or $100 more per month, you can reach $10,000 plus in just a few years. The key to maximizing ETF investments is regular contributions and reinvesting dividends, allowing your money to compound even faster. ETFs also provide peace of mind for investors who don't want to constantly monitor the stock market, but still want to benefit from long-term growth. But what if you could increase your monthly investments even further? That's where building multiple income streams comes into play. Let's explore how side hustles can supercharge your investing potential. Step 4. Side hustles and reinvesting. The fastest way to reach $10,000 and beyond is to increase how much you invest. And the best way to do that is by building additional income streams. Relying on just one source of income limits your financial potential, but incorporating high-profit, low-risk side hustles can significantly accelerate your journey to wealth. Freelancing on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allows you to monetize skills such as writing, graphic design, video editing, or even social media management, earning $500 to $1,000 plus per month with just a few hours of work each week. Another lucrative option is print on demand, where you create and sell custom designed t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies on platforms like Etsy or Shopify without needing to handle inventory. If you prefer a more passive approach, affiliate marketing enables you to promote products you love and earn commissions for every sale, whether through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. The key to multiply your wealth isn't just making extra money, it's reinvesting every extra dollar. Imagine adding just $500 more to your investments each month. Instead of waiting 10 years to hit $10,000, you could reach that milestone in just 2 to 3 years. The more you earn and reinvest, the faster your money grows, bringing financial freedom within your reach. By consistently reinvesting profits and increasing your contributions over time, you'll see exponential growth in your portfolio. It's not just about working harder, but working smarter, creating multiple streams of income, automating investments, and letting compounding do the heavy lifting. Step 5, the ultimate strategy. Here's the exact roadmap to turning $1,000 into $10,000 and beyond. The most important step? Start now. Even if you only have $1,000, investing today gives your money time to compound, and time is the most powerful tool in wealth building. The key to minimizing risk while maximizing returns is smart diversification. Allocate 60% into ETFs for steady, long-term growth, 30% into high-growth stocks with strong potential, and 10% into high-risk/high reward opportunities that could yield significant gains. But investing alone isn't enough. Reinvest all profits, dividends, capital gains, and any extra income so your money continues to grow uninterrupted. To supercharge your growth, increase your contributions whenever possible. Find a side hustle, cut unnecessary expenses, and consistently add more to your investments each month. The biggest mistake people make is giving up too soon. True wealth is built through patience, consistency, and long-term thinking. Even during market dips, those who stay the course and keep investing come out on top. Most people never build wealth because they never take the first step, but you now have the knowledge to take action. The only question is, will you use it? Now it's your turn. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more proven investing strategies. And if you're serious about building wealth, check out my playlist on the best side hustles to maximize your income. I'll see you in the next video. Let's build wealth together.